All right. Hello, hello. Breakdown number 2 in a week. Wow. What's going on? Are we back or what? Anyways, guys, so we're gonna get going on this trade right here. Um get a nice breakdown of it. And again, if you guys have any questions, any you know any comments, leave them down below, please. Also, don't forget, I'd really appreciate hit that like button, that subscribe if it's your first time here, because like I said, we're bringing them back. Let's get going. All right. So, this was when was this? On the 10th. So a couple days ago, I think Thursday. Um, if I'm not mistaken, Thursday night, early mornings. Wait, early morning of what? Thursday? I think so. Hold on. Yeah. So early morning of Thursday, so Wednesday nightish. Okay. So as you guys can see and remember from the previous video, look at my dog right there. Anyways, on the previous video, y'all saw that 4-hour trend line. Let me zoom out here a little bit for y'all. You see that huge trend we're in right now. On the 4-hour. So that's what that gray line y'all see right here is. Okay. And as you can see, it respected our trend. Okay. So it respected our trend line, came down, boop, stayed above. All right, retested it again here, and boom, shot up. Now, why did I not take this trade right here? Well, there's a resistance right here. I want to be a little bit more cautious, so I want to take anything above this. Okay. Now, also look how beautiful this trade is. Here, as you guys can see, it broke the resistance, retested it, and then continued in the direction that I'm looking for. Okay. So, also, we have a lot of confluences here. Okay. And this is why I took this trade. Mind you, I will say this right here, there was news. So, news, in my opinion, only expedites the process, basically. All right. So, the reason why I took this trade, all right, it broke resistance, retested it, and then continued in the direction. All right. Also, another confluence is you can see our 50 and 8 SMA cross. Now we're trading above. Okay, my 8 SMA is above my 50 SMA. All right, and we're trading above that 8 SMA. So those, for my trading style. Okay, again, like I said last time, everybody has a different trading style. Okay, I am not saying one way or the other is the right way because there is several ways that are the right way. Okay. Now, is there a lot of wrong ways? Absolutely, and I've seen them. Okay, but again, this is my way. I'm not telling you you have to trade like me, but this is why I took this trade. All right. So again, break, retest, break. We're above our 8 SMA. All right. We're on a uptrend, so we're bullish. All right. So I'm going bullish. There we go. We entered the trade. So I entered this trade. Let me here. Let's get a better view on a 5-minute. Go back to it right here. So again, break, retest, break, continued over the previous highs I made after the break. Boom, I got into the trade, and as you can see, barely any drawdown. Like, what is this? 2 pips? Yeah, 2 pips, right? Beautiful trade. Went up, hit that resistance area. Now, why did I not choose this as my take profit rather this? Well, in my trading strategy, okay, this is too close. After this break and retest, in my opinion, it's gonna go further than the right after resistance, especially because it's so close. Okay, let's see how many. From here to here is 20 pips. Okay. But from this to this is only 12. So in my way of trading, I do not take this as the take profit. I take the next level. Okay. So again, came up, as you guys can see, it respected that resistance, right? Came back down, held to where my entry is, right? Obviously, am I going to close here? Absolutely not. I have my stop loss right there. My stop loss is slightly below the previous lows. All right. So if it were to hit my stop loss, hey, it's not my trade. It's a, an invalid trade, because then we would have formed lower lows, and then it's not a valid trade. Okay. So again, I respect my stop loss. I keep it there and let it ride. All right. So again, respected this resistance, came back down, and then boom, shot up like crazy. This was a 1 to 3.5, I think. Yeah, 1 to 3.64 basically for every $100 I'm risking. I'm gaining $364. Okay, again, for every 1,000 you're risking, you're gaining $3,640, so on and so forth. Okay, that's how the risk reward is here. So, boom, hit our take profit up here, and we're out. Now, let's see. At this point, I think, what time was it? I did see actually this. Yes, I was awake. Because there was news, as I told you guys right here. This was news. Look at this. Whew. Literally, this, I don't know, this guy was speaking from Britain, and it shot up. I guess he said good stuff. I'm more of a technical analysis trader, not a fundamental. Unless it's gold, I do both. But in terms of GJ, I'm really a technical analysis. I don't want to sit here and watch the news and all of that. Price action is king. I'll stick to that. I will pay attention when there is news, though, and be mindful of my trades. But other than that, I'm not gonna sit here and watch, the news for, whether it be Japan or whatever other country. I just don't want to do it. But with that being said, guys, that was the trade. As you guys can see, it skyrocketed furthermore, right? Here's another good trade, right? I did not take this one. But again, we have a break, a retest, and a continuation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Okay. At this point, I think, I was asleep. Because I caught this one. I was like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm good with this. I'm going to sleep. Okay. But right here, this would have been a good trade over here. 50 pips to the next resistance level. Okay. 50 pips to the next resistance level, and 86 pips to the one after that. Okay. And at this stage, I would have put my TP here. Okay. Because again, it's a ways off. Okay. So 50 pips, but I did not take that. Now, I will do a market analysis for this week. Stay tuned. I will drop it up on Sunday. I'm gonna hold myself accountable to that. Okay. If I don't, y'all comment down below. Okay. I'm gonna do a market analysis for GJ for y'all. Kind of where my thoughts and ideas are, where the market's gonna go for the week after. By the way, I rewinded this just to show y'all what's up, but let's see where the market is. The market acted crazy. Look at this. So this is where we were at. Reached up here, which is the highest level. Let me show you guys. And again, I'm not going to do a full breakdown here. This is a GJ breakdown, but as you guys can see, hit our highs from October of 21. Okay, so 2021. So pretty big. Look at that. This was a crazy trend, right? We've broken the trend now, as you guys can see, and I will go over it. Oops, what did I do? Let's return that. I'll go over it on the next video. But anyways, this is where we're at with the current market. So we took this trade right here, and yeah, watch the next video. Bye.